In 563 AD, Saint Columba founded Iona Abbey on a small Scottish island. It grew to become an influential center for learning and literacy in the Middle Ages. In 1802, Edmund Rice sold his thriving business to devote his life to educating the marginalized youth of his native Ireland, leading to the formation of the Congregation of Christian Brothers. And in 1940, the Congregation of Christian Brothers founded Iona College in New Rochelle to educate the overlooked students of New York's working class. Drawing from this rich heritage spanning 1,500 years of learning, service, and the liberating power of education, Iona College officially became Iona University in 2022, continuing to build on its legacy afforded by Blessed Edmund Rice and Saint Columba, a legacy of fighting the good fight that will never change. Now, building on this legacy of unity, community, and ingenuity, it's time for Iona University to expand on our heritage of service, learning, and empowerment. Not a new Iona University, but a renewed Iona University, informed by our strengths, with a renewed focus on innovation and versatility, with a renewed purpose for putting preparation into meaningful action, and a renewed appreciation for fighting the good fight. Now is the time for Iona to write a new chapter in its story, and for you to turn a fresh page in yours, to get off the known path and make your own path. It is time to follow your heart and your head, to serve while you learn and learn while you serve, to find meaning in your dreams in ways you never dreamed possible, because sometimes you have to go out of your way to find your way. It's time to learn outside the lines